Did you know that the Gantt chart, one of the most common tools in project management, was invented over a century ago? Or that the same principles that guided the construction of the Great Wall of China are still influencing how we manage projects today? Welcome at Project Booster channel, where on a weekly basis, you can find new content about project change and team management. Today, we're exploring the evolution of project management. Understanding its history offers valuable insights into where the field is headed. By the end, you'll appreciate how the tools and techniques we use today have developed over the centuries. Let's dive in. Ancient roots of project management. Project management isn't a modern invention. Its roots go back thousands of years. One of the earliest recorded project management feats is the construction of the Great Pyramid of Giza around 4,500 years ago. It's estimated that over 2.3 million stone blocks were used, each weighing between 2 to 30 tons. Despite the lack of modern tools, historians believe the Egyptians used advanced planning and labor management techniques to complete the pyramid in just 20 years. A remarkable timeline for a project of such massive scale. This suggests that even ancient civilizations had sophisticated systems in place for managing large, complex projects. Similarly, the Great Wall of China, which stretches over 13,000 miles, required the coordination of hundreds of thousands of workers over several centuries. This monumental project demanded meticulous management of resources, labor, and time, long before formal project management existed. The scale and complexity of the Great Wall laid the groundwork for the systematic approaches that would be developed much later, proving that effective project management has deep historical roots. The Industrial Revolution, the birth of modern project management. Fast forward to the 18th and 19th centuries, where the Industrial Revolution transformed not just industries, but also how projects were managed. This era brought about complex manufacturing and engineering projects, requiring more structured approaches to manage time, resources, and people. One of the earliest formalized project management techniques was scientific management, introduced by Frederick Taylor in the early 1900s. Taylor's work focused on improving efficiency through careful analysis and standardization of tasks. Around the same time, Henry Gantt developed the Gantt chart, a visual tool that allowed managers to schedule tasks and track progress. These tools were revolutionary at the time and are still in use today, proving the enduring value of these early innovations. A great example of a large-scale project from this era is the construction of the Hoover Dam in the 1930s, which involved over 21,000 workers and required meticulous planning and execution. At Project Booster, we have many more useful contents about project, change, and team management. Subscribe now to stay updated and never miss any new video. The post-war era, Formalization and Professionalization. The aftermath of World War II marked a significant shift towards the formalization of project management as a distinct discipline. During the 1950s and 1960s, major projects like the development of nuclear submarines and the Apollo space program required highly structured approaches. This period saw the birth of Critical Path Method, CPM, and Program Evaluation Review Technique, PERT, both designed to manage the complexity and uncertainty of large projects. These methodologies provided a systematic way to plan, schedule, and control large-scale projects. In 1969, the Project Management Institute, PMI, was founded, providing a formal body to standardize project management practices and set professional standards. PMI's creation marked the start of project management as a recognized profession. According to PMI, project management techniques and methodologies can boost success rates by as much as 70%. The 1990s, the rise of Agile and Iterative approaches. By the 1990s, the rapid growth of the software industry brought new challenges. Traditional waterfall approaches, where projects moved sequentially from one phase to another, struggled to keep up with the fast-paced, ever-changing demands of software development. In response, Agile methodologies emerged, with the Agile Manifesto being formally introduced in 2001. Agile emphasized flexibility, customer collaboration, and iterative progress, allowing teams to adapt to changes quickly and deliver products more efficiently. Scrum, Kanban, and other frameworks became popular, shifting the focus from rigid planning to adaptive, iterative processes. This era marked a cultural shift in project management. Instead of sticking to a rigid plan, teams were empowered to be more collaborative and responsive to change, a philosophy that has since spread beyond software development to many other industries. As one of the creators of the Agile Manifesto, Ken Schwaber said, "Agile is not a methodology, it's a mindset." This mindset has transformed how projects are managed worldwide. Today, over 71% of organizations report using Agile approaches in their projects. This highlights the significant shift towards more flexible and adaptive project management practices. The 21st century, hybrid and adaptive approaches. As we moved into the 21st century, the complexity of projects continued to grow, requiring even more flexibility and adaptability. Many organizations began adopting hybrid methodologies that combine elements of waterfall and Agile to better suit their unique needs. For example, Scrumban combines the structure of Scrum with the flexibility of Kanban. Moreover, project management has increasingly incorporated change management principles, addressing not just the technical aspects of a project, but also the human side, ensuring that teams and stakeholders are on board with changes. The digital transformation has also revolutionized project management tools. Cloud-based platforms like Jira, Asana, and Microsoft Project allow teams to collaborate in real time, manage tasks from anywhere, and gain insights from data analytics. These tools are not just about tracking tasks. They're about empowering teams to work smarter and more effectively. According to a recent report, 54% of companies use a combination of Agile and waterfall approaches, reflecting the growing trend of hybrid project management. The future of project management. So, what does the future hold for project management? One of the most exciting trends is the integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning into project management tools. AI can help predict project risks, optimize resource allocation, and even automate routine tasks, allowing project managers to focus on more strategic decisions. There's also a growing emphasis on sustainability and ethics in project management. As companies become more socially responsible, project managers are being asked to consider the environmental and social impacts of their projects. Remote work and global teams are becoming the norm, making virtual collaboration tools essential. The ability to manage projects across time zones and cultures is becoming a key skill for modern project managers. Finally, continuous learning and adaptability are becoming crucial in an ever-changing world. Project managers will need to stay on top of emerging trends and technologies to remain competitive. As futurist Alvin Toffler once said, "The illiterate of the 21st century will not be those who cannot read and write, but those who cannot learn, unlearn, and relearn." This is particularly true for project managers today. According to Gartner, by 2025, 80% of project management tasks will be run by AI, making technology integration a key focus for the future. Conclusion: project management has always been about more than just completing tasks. It's about adapting to change, driving innovation, and creating value. Whether you're working on small, iterative projects or large, complex endeavors, the principles of project management continue to evolve to meet the demands of our ever-changing world. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on project management, team management, and transformation. See you in the next video.